Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Literally every time I make a video, I have to say it's been a while. I'm sorry I'm so inconsistent. Anyways, today I'm bringing back Mira's Ratchet Hair Salon. I'm going to be balayaging, foilayaging my own hair. Wish me luck. Technically, I know what I'm doing if I was doing it on somebody else. I went to hair school, so I kind of know what I'm doing. I still would never recommend to do your own hair. It's a lot more difficult when you do it yourself versus when somebody else is doing it for you, obviously. Yeah, so I don't know. I've been dying to do my hair lately. I was going to wait and go to the salon. I'm sorry, Mom. I can't wait. All the salons are closed. I don't know when the heck they're gonna be open. I have not dyed my hair or done anything colorwise to my hair in like 10 months. Like it was last March was the last time that I did my hair and I just like dyed it brown. That's unheard of for me. I never go that long. I've almost gone a whole year without doing anything to my hair. Very unlike me. I'm itching to just do something. I need a change. So that's what we're doing today. Wish me luck. I'm gonna get started here. I need to change my shirt. I need to section my hair and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I sectioned my hair kind of. I'm mixing my bleach. So we're just gonna get started, I guess. I don't really have much of like a plan. I did sort of a weird like partial section kind of. I'm just gonna freaking wing it in the back, just tease it to make sure it kind of blends, I guess. My only game plan is basically to do my hairline last. I want my hairline, I want a thick money piece. I want my hairline to be bright, so, and it's also fragile. It's already lighter, the hair there is finer, so I'm gonna wait till the end to do that. I'm just kind of trying to go for like, excuse me, sir. Gosh, I look so ugly. My skin looks horrible. Sorry. I'm just going for kind of like a nice subtle like balayage, like a blonde, if you will. I'm not wearing gloves because gloves are for pussies. Just kidding, you should wear gloves, honestly. Don't do what I do. I'm not recommending you do this. This is not a tutorial. It's just a little adventure time with me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bitch, I'm scared. I'm mostly just doing it on the top and less is more. I have to remember to tell myself that because sometimes I get really carried away. Less is more, Mara. Don't go overboard. I'm gonna literally take a piece of the back like this. I'm gonna tease it, tease the fuck out of it. And I'm just gonna kind of like bleach the end of it. How am I gonna freaking paint this on when it's on the freaking back of my head? I can't even freaking see it. Oh my god, wish me luck. Here goes nothing. I went on the wrong one off the foil. Oh my god. Panic. Hope I don't have a giant leopard spot on the back of my head now. I don't think anybody will see that. It's gonna be okay. Oh look, that's my strand test. I didn't leave my strand test in very long. Everything else is gonna be in much longer. So I'm gonna do a thick weave. Actually, I'll tease first. And then a thick little weave here. Oh my god, this is way harder than I thought it would be. You know, I really hope I don't fuck this up because if I do, I will have to call in sick to work tomorrow. By the way, Mitchell and I made a couple TikTok page, so you should go follow that shit. I don't think you'll regret it. Fold that up real nice. Okay, I'm just gonna go hard with this because if I film, I'm gonna take too long and my hair will burn off. So I'll just keep you updated. Hi, I'm scared shitless. I'm having regrets. I'm worried it's not gonna turn out well. Sorry I didn't update you at all. All the foils are in. This is all I'm doing. Then I did some random free painted pieces. Don't know if that's gonna do anything. I'm basically just praying at this point and I'm just gonna wait a while. I'm gonna wait probably about like 30 minutes. But yeah, you know, it's a funny story. I was talking to my mom earlier today and she was like, oh, what are you gonna do tonight? I was like, nothing. I knew damn well I was doing this, but I didn't want to tell her that. But she's gonna be watching this video, so the secret's out. I almost forgot to update y'all again. I am so sorry. I'm literally the worst at filming videos like this. I'm the worst at filming anything, really. So I took it out. This is what my hair looks like. It is a little too bright here because that's where my natural hair color was, but that's okay. I haven't toned it yet. I'm gonna do the toner now, and then I'll wait till tomorrow to show you the finished product when it's all styled and stuff. But yeah, I think I did okay, you know? It's probably not the best job. I definitely could have done a lot more than I did in the back, but I can always redo it or touch it up or whatever. But I think I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I was really worried about how like everything near my hairline would turn out, but I think I like it. I'm excited to tone it and see the final product. I'll see you there. Hi guys, I'm back for my update. I'm sorry I look so gross right now. I'm hungover. So my hair was styled last night and then I slept on it. This is what it looks like now. So you can kind of see what it looks like. I'm not mad at it, especially given I did it myself. I think it's pretty freaking good. I kind of regret it because my hair is finally a little bit healthier. I just got it cut. I cut most of the dead stuff off. Now I've bleached it and it's very dead again. So that's the only bad thing. But yeah, this is how it like turned out. I got myself a nice little balayage now. Ooh, look at that. Look at the blend, so nice. This piece, it just keeps chilling here. Like this piece is, I'm pretty sure it's just so freaking dead, honestly. But anyway guys, that was my little DIY balayage video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it was such a mess, that's just who I am. Please like and subscribe. I'll try to be more consistent. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Even if it's bad, just be honest with me. I prefer that. And peace out.